Hello everyone. This lesson is about driving in traffic, say bumper to bumper traffic. Now I'm behind this vehicle. I have to follow at the proper distance. Now I don't want to be getting this close. I'm just going to show you. This is no good, because if that car died right there and I'm this close and this tractor trailer is on my bumper, there's no way I'm gonna get out. So always leave sufficient room in front of your between the vehicles so you don't get stuck. Okay, it's a green light, so I check left, right, and then proceed. And I keep my distance. The proper following distance is about 3 minutes 3 seconds behind that vehicle. The way I can check it is when the back of this car reaches the sign there, 1001, 1002, 1003. The road speed sign, it says 50, but I can use it as a marker so I know if I'm within the safe limits. Now that truck is way ahead of me now. He's about 5 seconds ahead of me. So there's no need for me to check the distance, because there's no way, no matter what he does in front of me, there's no way I'm gonna hit him, because I'm a good distance away. Now I'm gonna be taking a left turn into the next street. In fact, I have changed my mind. I'm not going to make a left turn into the next street. I'm going to be making a left turn at the lights ahead. Alright, just quickly check the intersection, left, right. And if you can see it, there's a red light ahead. So all I have to do is stop at the proper distance. When I can just see where the tire of that vehicle makes contact with the roadway, that's my safe distance. So if I had to get out that way, there would be sufficient room. If I'm like this, that's no good. If I have to get out, I'd be passing very close to that vehicle or actually hitting that vehicle. So always keep your proper distance. Now we just have to wait for the lights to change. So in the meantime, I can check around to see what's going on. Guess the lights turn green and we're making a left turn, so signal to the left and make my left turn, hand over hand steering, and recover. Now ahead there's a crosswalk, and you can see the overhead sign with the crosswalk. So all I have to do is take it easy and check left, right, nobody crossing, so it's good. Speed here is 50 kilometers an hour. And I'm right on the mark, 50 kilometers an hour. We're coming up to a set of lights and it's green at the moment. Let's check left, right, even though there's no street there, but still turn your head to check to the right. Your checking should become second nature. So whether there's a street there on the right or not, just get into the habit of checking to the left and the right. Now at the next set of lights, it's, well, right now it's green. We're making a right turn, so I put my right signal on, check the rear view mirror, check my right shoulder, and then I get into the right turn lane. And there's the arrow indicating it's a right turn lane. Check to the left and right, even though it was a green light, and then turn in. Now we're making a left turn into this plaza, but that vehicle is close and he has his right signal on to turn into the plaza. He's got the right of way. Now I check and it's safe. Now I can turn into the parking lot. Okay, so what I intend to do now is park my car into a parking space, and I intend to back into a parking space on the right side. So I signal to the left to get into this parking lot here, and always put your car in the middle of the parking lot because you want to leave sufficient room for a car to get by you on the left side. Now I intend to park in between in between these two. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna park on the left between these two. So I signal left. When the back of my car is in the middle of this vehicle here, then I stop right there. Place the gear selector to reverse, get all the turns to the left, and then I check like crazy, backing into the parking space. Keep going until the car is straight. That's the lane opposite my spot. So I just keep going until it is straight. Wheels are straight, but the car is straight, but the wheels are turned to the left. So now clock, then clock again. That means the wheels are now straight. So all I have to do is back into the parking space and just keep checking like crazy. Right there. Apply the parking brake, gear selected to park, and I'm done. Please subscribe. Well, you know, like, then subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.